In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from your Mac. So there's two different methods we can use to do this. The first method is nice and quick and easy. You just need to head over to the Launchpad in the bottom navigation. And from the Launchpad, you're just going to hold down on the application that you want to delete. And if you see this cross icon in the top left-hand side of an application, then all we need to do is click on it to delete it like so. You can see not all of the applications have this cross icon next to it, in which case we'll need to head over to our File Explorer instead, and from here you need to click on Applications on the left hand side. From your list of applications, just find and select the one that you want to delete. So let's say, for example, we have Spotify over here. Let's say I wanted to delete that. All you need to do is drag the application from this folder over to the recycle bin in the bottom right hand side here. If you get this message pop up saying that it can't be moved to the bin because it's open, then you need to make sure the application's closed down first. So you can see at the moment down here I have Spotify currently running. So if I just hold down on the application and then press quit, now if I try dragging it over to my recycle bin again and then just dropping it in here like so, it may ask you to enter the password for your PC, and as you can see that's now deleted the Spotify application. So you can do that with as many applications as you want from here. Once you have deleted an application, it's also worth coming over to the search bar at the top and just searching for whatever application you deleted. So in my case it's going to be Spotify, and sometimes what can happen is you may have some leftover files in here, and if that's the case we can just select any leftover files and also pull them over to this trash icon like so. And that's it guys, that's how you uninstall an application on your Mac. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.